Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Colorado County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Austin County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, south central Waller County in southeastern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sealy, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Sealy, San Felipe, and Cat Spring. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National